Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read the fourth module of chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. First, we have read in our previous module about the forest areas and first forest, evergreen forest. Now let us read about the tropical deciduous forest. These forests require rainfall between 70 centimeters to 200 centimeters. Cold monsoon forest and are most widespread forest in India. If we talk about the tropical deciduous forest, trees are shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous forest. We will discuss here about these two different parts. First, I told you about the moist and second dry deciduous forest. We are talking here about the tropical deciduous forest, and still we have talked that these forest divided into two parts. First part moist forest, deciduous forest, and second dry deciduous forest. So let us see. Common animals found: lion, tiger, pig, deer, and an elephant. Other huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes, and tortoise are also found here. You can see here moist deciduous forest. We have discussed about the two parts. First moist deciduous, then dry deciduous, and you are watching the picture of moist deciduous forest. Now you can see here dry deciduous forest. As we have discussed these two types, in first area there is 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall, and in another part it is 100 to 70 centimeter, as we are watching here the dry deciduous forest. Tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Let us talk about this type of next vegetation. It requires rainfall less than 70 centimeter. Found in semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Haryana as well. Vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes, acacias, cacti, palms, and euphorbias. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil and spreading in a radial pattern to find water. Stems are succulent to conserve water. Common animals which are found here: rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horse, and camel. I think all you are familiar with these animals, because in your area these type of animals you can see. These are the thorn and scrub vegetation here. Let us talk about the next one, which is known as mangrove forest. What type of these forests? Found in areas of coast influenced by tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangrove are common variety with roots of the plant submerged under the water. Found in the deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, and Krishna, the Godavari, and Kaveri. Sundari trees are also found, but in Ganga Brahmaputra delta provide durable hard time B. If we talk about that, what is the Sundarban delta is known as? Why it is named as Sundarban? Because there are Sundari trees, as we have discussed here. Other plants are palm, coconut, keor, agar. Famous animals, if we talk about what type of we can found there: Royal Bengal tiger. In mangrove forest we are talking specially. Common animals found, these are turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes. You can see here tidal forest or mangrove forest. Most of the time, because when roots are unable to hold this type of area, coastal area, these trees fall down. You can see here. All these are the examples of the same. Let us talk about the montane forest. These forests are found in between 100 meter to 200 meter height of the trees. These are used extensively for grazing and nomadic tribes like Gujjar and the Bakkarwals in these areas, mountainous areas we are talking about, keep in your mind. Areas covered tropical to the tundra region. Vegetation found. What type of vegetation is found there? Oaks, chestnut, predominate, pine, devdar, silver fir, spruce, cedar, silver fir, junipers, pines, mosses, lichens and birches. If we talk about the animals, Kashmiri stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, shaggy horned wild ibex, bear and rare red pandas. I hope as I'm talking about these animals, you are having craze to see these animals and curiosity is also coming in your mind that what type of these animals are, how we can see these animals. So we will also see these animals in the uh, next our modules. Montane forest. Common animal found as we have discussed: Kashmiri stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, shaggy thorn, and wild ibex, bear and rare red panda, sheep, goat with thick hair, and you can also see these areas. Thank you. Next, we will read in our next module and will also see the pictures of all these animals which we have discussed. Thank you.